Archetypes are universal patterns. They are universally recognized inner images of things. And when I say image, image is the beginning of everything. So, for instance, if I say mother, it doesn't matter where you go in the world, people will have a connotation with that word. It's an archetype, it's a universal word that everyone understands. So, archetypal simply means that we are looking for patterns or for inner forms that are universally recognized. All the way back to Plato, and probably before Plato, people were talking about archetypes as a sense of universal, universally recognized human experiences. So that's the simplest explanation. Archetypes are universal experiences that we all share and can recognize. I've done work with archetypes in every continent in the world. I've talked to people in many countries in many different languages, and they're universally understood. It doesn't matter if I'm working with a yam farmer in Africa or with a psychiatrist in Hong Kong. It doesn't matter where you are. You can do this work with archetypes globally because it is universally understood. I have called archetypes the DNA of the human soul. We all share them. Doesn't matter how you look or where you are.